Good morning, all. For those of you in Asia, you might be surprised to wake up to see that we actually finished the last 2 days, or yesterday, with a green candle in both Bitcoin and Ethereum. So despite us thinking that the entire day was going to be down overnight during European and American hours, actually saw a lot of buying interest and prices got lifted back up. I'm going to carry on keeping an eye on the grayscale discounts, both for Bitcoin and Ethereum going forward. I think they are probably a lot more relevant to market development than people realize, just purely because if accredited and retail investors in the US and even in Europe have access to an investment vehicle that trades at a discount to its underlying asset, there is always that interest of getting exposure to crypto through Grayscale instead of buying the physical underlying. Now, of course, on the flip side, you've got counterparty risk to Grayscale. You're paying, I think, a 2.5% fee for holding the shares, and it only trades in US hours. So there is that kind of that kind of balance that you have to identify and see which kind of investment vehicle you prefer. So let's quickly look at Ethereum. As I said, we failed to hold the 1975 area at the beginning of the week, bottomed out just below 1870. We did hold the 1750 area, but in fact, we didn't actually reach it. So I'm thinking that we found support somewhere else. If we look at the trading channel that we've been in for the last month or so, what is that, 24th? Yeah, last few weeks. You can see that the price has actually quite nicely bounced off the middle of this trading channel. Now, is that a bit of respite in what is an overall downward trending situation? Could well be the case. One could argue that an upward trending channel is starting to form. But honestly, when I look at this, the channel that's been around for longer is much more, or has much more strength. So what's really important now? I'd like to see us come up towards the resistance test, the top of that low test, that local top that we saw at the beginning of July. If we broke through the upward area of that channel, it would start to invalidate this entire structure and create a much more bullish scenario for Ethereum. The other one thing that I'm keeping an eye on is the 50 and the 200-day moving average. They are starting to get closer and closer together. If they continue in this range, we're looking at a death cross on around the 24th of July at the moment. When that happens historically, we've seen sharp price appreciation. We'll make a video about that closer to the time. But yeah, worth keeping an eye on that. That's it from me.